Halor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingïakren. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Sambut Menteri Rambak Jela, Upadairu, Chairman Jangka West Gentle Hills Regional Committee, Uba Sngab Halang Dhar, Ulaong Baka Jingïakren Baka Assam, Halor ka Jingïakren Put Apdeng ki Art Ligi Jela, kan Sdang Biang Ynda Thau ya ka Sorkar Thymmai ha Jela Assam. Ulaong Baka Jingïakren kan Sdang Biang Ynda Sorkar Assam kalapan Thymmai Biang ya ki dikhot jong ki Regional Committee ki jongkah.
No, you see, this dialogue with other counterpart is a continuous process. So let us wait when the new government form in Assam again we'll continue the discussion with them. That is very clear. And now we didn't know who is the chairman from their side. And now when the new government is yet to form, only then when they form and maybe they'll form the regional committee or this and that. So then we'll take a call with them. We'll meet again. No, we are trying to resolve always. So you see, because it linked both the states, so we are trying our best to resolve other ideas, but it's not so easy. I cannot say you will solve it within 2 years or within 2 months. So we always try our best.